Guys, it literally took me 1 minute to make this video and look how good it is. You can see these channels which have millions of followers. If they can do it, why can't you? I will teach you the exact same method where you can make videos like these and earn easy money. And at the end of the video, I will tell you the best YouTube short settings for videos like these to go viral. So stay tuned. For downloading, we will be using Kuaishou app. So open Kuaishou app in your browser. You can write here Kuaishou app. It is a Chinese app, so you can download Chinese videos from here and upload on your YouTube channel. So I simply open from here. Then I will go to translator and translate this. So simply I will write translator in browser. It will be open. So I will change here from English to Chinese. So I can write any text from English and then translate into Chinese. So I am writing here funny animal videos. So it will write this into Chinese. Simply you can copy it from here and paste it in the Kuaishou app. So what you need is you have to click on this button and then the home screen will appear, and from there you can put it in the search bar. Simply paste it in the search bar. So you can download any video from here. So I will choose this monkey video. It is quite appealing to me, so I will choose this video. So download it from here. I simply download it from here. So what I will do, I will click on this button, this download button. So it will simply download. The browser I am using is IDM, so you can download it from the browser. Simply type IDM and it will show this window. Next we need viral caption. So we will use ChatGPT and write down caption. Pick any of you like. Then we will edit this video in CAPCUT, which is user friendly. We have to import the video we downloaded. After importing it, click on plus button and this window will appear. So here I can extract audio from this. To extract audio, simply I will do extract audio from here. Then I will delete this audio. Now I can add music. So for this kind of videos I will use Humor music. So simply I will click from here and then I will add music. You can split this and this way you can delete this. Now we have to add the viral caption. So click on text and place this text above the layer. So after this you can adjust it from here. So what I will do, I will add text here. You can select any style you want, so make sure you choose the right style. I will add bold and also I will add some stroke. So in this way it will look good. Below here you can find styles, so choose anyone in your liking. Now I will edit this video and I will show you the end result. You can export the media from here. So simply click on export and this will export your media. This is the step which most of you guys are doing wrong. So I will teach you the exact same method which you can use to make your videos shine. So first make title here, and then after that we will go to rapid text. This is a website where you can find keywords. So in this category we will find animal keywords and I will write down here. In this way your videos will get more viral and there will be more reach. So simply paste the rapid text in your description. This was all that, and after this you will know how much you can earn from YouTube. Thanks me later. Please subscribe.